There is a place on Earth where the ocean seems unreal, where more than 75% of the world's coral species can be found in one area alone. A paradise untouched, remote, and almost mystical. This is the Storyscape Indonesia channel. Welcome to Raja Ampat Indonesia's most pristine natural wonder. Tucked away at the eastern tip of Indonesia, Raja Ampat is a world that feels untouched by time. And today, we explore the heart of the richest marine region on Earth. Raja Ampat is not just another tropical destination. Scientists call it the crown jewel of the Coral Triangle. Here, more than 1,500 species of fish, 550 species of coral, and countless marine creatures coexist in a delicate symphony of life. To put that into perspective, the entire Caribbean has fewer than 70 coral species. Raja Ampat has more than 550 species. But how did this paradise come to be? Raja Ampat sits at the collision point of two massive tectonic plates. For millions of years, the land lifted, folded, and sank again, creating thousands of limestone islands scattered like emeralds across turquoise water. The underwater currents bring nutrients from the deep, feeding corals and fish in an endless cycle of life. This combination exists nowhere else on Earth. Raja Ampat is home to gentle giants, reef manta rays with wingspans up to 7 meters, 2 black-tipped sharks that glide through shallow lagoons, 2 pygmy seahorses smaller than your fingernail, hiding among colorful corals. It is a living museum of evolution. Raja Ampat is not only about nature, it is home to indigenous Papuan communities who have lived in harmony with the sea for generations. Their philosophy is simple. The ocean is our mother. If we protect her, she will protect us. Once threatened by illegal fishing, the people of Raja Ampat partnered with conservationists to protect their home. Today, the region is one of the largest marine protected areas in the world. Sharks have returned, corals are recovering, and Raja Ampat stands as proof that people and nature can thrive together. Raja Ampat is more than a destination. It is one of Earth's last true frontiers, a reminder of what the planet once looked like, pure, wild, and untouched. And perhaps a glimpse of what we must protect for future generations.